Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly podcast. The merry run continues across the globe and it's been nearly 1.5 months now. Markets are just continuing their gravity defying moves. This week, our markets kickstarted a week on a flat note but immediately resumed its upward momentum. For the subsequent two trading sessions, the rally continued and in the process, Nifty kept posting new record highs one after another. The similar sort of one sided move was missing in the latter half of the week as markets saw some volatile swings to test the 13,400 mark. Eventually, due to late recovery on both the occasions, Nifty managed to close tad above 13,500 on Friday with weekly gains of nearly 2%. This week, our markets reached yet another milestone of 13,500 with ease, and few heavyweight themes did well to guide markets at new record highs. Since we are trading in an uncharted territory, sky is the limit for our market. But in our sense, we have now reached the extreme zone, at least for the current vertical move. With a broader view, of course, 14,000 and beyond levels are very much possible, but for a time being, 13,500, 600 are the extreme levels as per few Fibonacci ratios. Let's see why these levels are considered important. The golden ratio, 161% on the price extension of the recent up move, is placed at current levels. This level coincides with the 200% price extension of the first up leg, which started from March lows. And more importantly, if we connect all important highs from March 2015 on the monthly chart, we can see a multi-year upward sloping trend line precisely converging around the same levels. Hence, looking at this evidences, some cooling off around the crucial junction cannot be ruled out. Yes, we agree to the fact that a strong up move or down move doesn't necessarily follow any theory, but there is no harm being a conservative at times. Hence, since the last 3-4 days, we have been continuously advocating booking profits in the rally and avoiding aggressive bets overnight. On the daily chart, we can now see a dragonfly doji pattern, and with the last 2 days intraday swings, 13,400 has become a crucial support. The moment Nifty slides and sustains below this point, which is possible anytime soon, we would see the market experiencing some decent profit booking towards 13,400 or maybe can extend towards 12,900 in days to come. So as far as individual stock ideas is concerned, from the broader market we have one buy call, which is Shalimar Paints. This has been a laggard overall if you see past 2 to 3 years performance. But now looking at Friday's gigantic up move with sizable volumes, the stock is poised for some kind of catch-up rally to its larger peers. This stock can be bought on a decline around 78 by keeping a strict stop loss around 70, and we would expect this stock heading towards 90 in coming weeks. Our two calls would be on the short side. ACC, overall this stock has been one of the outperforming stocks, but since last 5 to 6 trading sessions, stock has cooled off a bit. And looking at Friday's breakdown, we would expect some profit booking to extend in this counter. This can be sold on any bounce towards 1620, 1630 for a target of 1550, and strict stop loss can be placed at 1662. Our second sell call would be on Escorts. Overall, yes, this has been one of the marquee outperformer over the past 5 to 6 months within the auto space. But looking at last 1.5 weeks price action, stock looks a bit overstretched, exhausted, and some kind of cooling off at current level cannot be ruled out. Hence, one can short this counter for a target of 1300 in coming days, and strict stop loss should be maintained at 13,888. Thank you.